Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time here at my channel, welcome. I hope you take a look at this video and some of my other videos, and if you see something that inspires you, then by all means consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video before you do that. All right, if you are returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate you for hanging out with me for a bit, and welcome back. So today I would like to show you another unboxing of my Annie's Caring Crochet Kit Club that I joined a few months back. I had been really busy with work and had not been able to make the items that I had purchased in the kits. So I thought that I would try to work towards getting up to date on all of those with you guys. At the end, I will show you the previous one that I showed and the completed item that I have. So let's look and see what's in the next packet. Now, the last packet that I had a really beautiful um, envelope that they sent it in. This time was just a little more plain, but that's okay because again, my whole purpose for purchasing this particular club is to find more ways to give. Okay, so let's see what's in it. Okay, so there's some very pretty green yarn. It's like an olive green yarn here that looks really, really pretty. So, and then on the front here, it says it's a gratitude scarf. So I'm going to open it up and take it out. Okay, so we have 3 skeins of this very beautiful um, green yarn. It looks to be acrylic, so it's 100% acrylic, and each skein is 3.5 ounces, and that gives us 257 yards. It is a worsted weight medium 4 yarn, and it looks to have some specks in it. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it looks to have a few flecks of another color in it that looks to be like maybe a tan or something like that. So it's really, really pretty, which has just a little bit of flex in it. So that's going to be really nice. And it feels very soft, very, very soft. Okay, so the scarf that I'm going to be making is called a gratitude scarf. And yeah, it looks very, very nice. Nice texture to it. All right, so this says Annie's Caring Crochet Kit Club gives you an easy way to use your crochet talents to do good in the world. Each month, we feature a special organization with a passion for giving to those in need and making the recipients feel loved and cherished during some of the hardest times of their lives. We made it easy. Our kits are designed with patterns and yarn that meet the specifications of the featured charity. Once you have completed the project, you can choose to give it to a friend or family member, or you can donate it to the featured organizations. Simply mail it to the address that we provide, or look for the local chapter on their website and enjoy the warm feeling of knowing how much your work will be appreciated. Now, this month's was Operation Gratitude, and it was founded in 2003 with a mission to lift the spirits and meet the evolving needs of the U.S. military and first responders communities, and to provide volunteer opportunities for Americans to express their appreciation to all who serve our nation. Every year, Operation Gratitude sends 250,000 plus individually addressed care packages to soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marines, and Coast Guardsmen deployed overseas, to their children left behind, and to first responders, new recruits, veterans, wounded heroes, and their caregivers. Each package contains snacks, hygiene products, entertainment, and handmade items, as well as personal letters of support. And then they give the address to send it to. So that's really, really nice and definitely sounds like a very worthy cause. And this is just a beautiful scarf, a nice solid scarf, but it also have a nice flow to it because it's a very soft feeling yarn. Okay. So I will work on this and then I will come back to you guys and I will show you the finished product and then we'll do another unboxing. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing for that particular one. Now let's talk about the one that I showed you previously, which was the Lacy Shells wrap. So that was this one. And in that one, we had 4 different shades of purple. And this particular one is going to go to the cancer support community of Central Ohio or to a cancer support um, type of organization. So it's meant to be just a like a prayer shawl or something like that. All right, and this is my finished one. So this is the shawl, all completed, and I think it turned out so beautiful. I really do like the way the purples kind of blended in together, and I think that it's going to make someone very, very warm and loved and feel pretty, and I think they're going to enjoy wearing it. What do you guys think? Now, let's talk about the yarn itself. So the yarn was very soft, very easy to use. I didn't find that it split too much at all, and it could have been that I used the right hook and everything, and so that worked out well. The flow was just great. No problems there. The pattern was fairly easy to read. I did have to um, undo some of it because I had to get into the right flow of following the pattern repeats. But once I got the hang of the pattern repeats, I was able to continue with the wrap with no problem at all. The only negative that I would say that I encountered with this particular kit was that each and every skein unfortunately had a knot in it. And I was a little disappointed at that. The kits do cost about $27 each, and the skeins were small. They only had about 3 ounces of yarn. So I was a little surprised and a little disappointed about the knots. However, I do have plenty of yarn remaining. So let me show you what I have remaining. I was able to complete the project with no problems and no fear of running out of my yarn at all. So the darkest color, this is what I had remaining. The next color, this is what I had remaining. The next color, this is what I had remaining. And the last color, this is what I had remaining. So I think I had less of the lightest color, which was the last color that I used in the wrap, than any of the others. And so there was no fear that I was going to run out of yarn at all. The pattern was written very well, and I had plenty of yarn. They provided plenty of yarn in the kit to complete the project with yarn to spare. So I'm very, very happy with that. And I am ready to send the wrap off to the designated charity, which in this case is the Cancer Support Center, the Cancer Support Community of Central Ohio. And so hopefully this will be received and loved by the person who receives it because a lot of love was put into making it. All right, so that's it for this particular one. I will come back and show you the completed scarf once I have done it, and then we'll do another unboxing of the Annie's Caring Crochet Kit Club. All right, so that's a mouthful, huh? All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Leave me a comment or a question. I enjoy reading your comments and answering any questions or concerns. And I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Bye bye.